How to delete Instagram account on iPhone. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the Instagram app on a mobile device and just make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Now here, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your Instagram profile. Once there, tap on the three lines at the top right corner and again navigate to the Instagram settings and privacy. Now at the top, tap on the account center. Once you do so, tap on the personal details option available there. Once you tap on the personal details, you will get to see account ownership and control. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will get to see again deactivate or delete. Tap on it again. Then tap on your Instagram profile. Once you do so, tap on the delete account option available there. And again continue. Now continue with the process. If you don't have any reason, then tap on the something else and continue. Scroll down and continue again. And you will be asked to enter the Instagram password. Enter it and that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.